Have you ever thought the most important factor for your success? Which one is it? There are many factors: skill set, learning, experience. Surely they are important. But the most important factor, if you don't have that, no other complex mix will work. That factor is focus. And that focus is achieved only by having a calm mind, a calm thought process. It is correct when they say that if you have a good night's sleep and a good 6 to 8 hours sleep will recharge your body, recharge your mind. But does that happen every day? Do you wake up refreshed every day? Is it true? One thought can ruin your entire sleep process. You may be sleeping, but you are still not fresh. So this may happen once a week. So if this is happening only once a week, and your productivity is only limited to once a week, so in the entire month, there are only 4 days in which you are super focused. Only 4 days. This delays your reach to your own destination. To succeed, you need to have a better focus. And how do you have a better focus consciously? I call this conscious reprogramming of the mind. Means the formula which I use is my 10 formula. My 10. My 10 minutes of myself. Selfishly me. Only me. Not thinking about anything, but giving myself time, a break from my own thought process. Because mind keeps working, it keeps thinking. But if you don't have focus for where you want to reach, and you're not able to put enough on day-to-day basis towards your goal, towards your destination, your reach to the destination is delayed. So how do you achieve that focus? What is my 10 formula? It's a very simple thing. Mostly things, we assume them to be complex, but the more simpler you go, the more easier it becomes. So the my 10 formula is 10 minutes of your time, preferably in the first half of the day. It is just sitting upright, sitting straight on a chair and just relaxing your body. Simple breathing, no forced breathing, very simple breathing. We are trying to relax our mind, we're trying to relax our body. No tensions, no thoughts. Most important, no thoughts. Don't think about your problems. You're taking a break from your problems, from your fears, from your anxieties, from whatever you think right now is urgent. Just take a break. My 10 minutes. It is more important than your breakfast or your lunch, because this is what sets the day, not breakfast or lunch. That's just energy sources. But achievement is here and here. So for that, you need to have a calm mind. So those 10 minutes of thoughtlessness, just be yourself, breathe in, breathe out. If you want a reference point, you can think about your God, you think about your child's face, you think about nature, whatever relaxes you. Whatever brings peace or smile to your face, relaxes you, think about that as a reference point. Later, when you become a pro thinker, you will not need a reference point. You will be able to stay thoughtless. But till then, for the beginners of pro thinking, you can focus on any reference point which relaxes you. So focus on that, relax your mind, no forced thinking, no forced thoughts. If a thought comes in, just ask it to wait for 10 minutes and relax. After that 10 minutes of conscious breathing and relaxation, those my 10 moments, on the 11th moment, on the 11th minute, you will feel supremely recharged and be ready to focus. The first thing you think is about your destination and your goal, and what can you do today to achieve your goal within the time frame you've thought about yourself. So when you do this every day, earlier when you're depending on the chances that you will wake up refreshed, you will wake up with energy to think about your day, plan your day, execute your day, and then your day. That's just happening once a week, means 4 times a month. Now when you do this on daily basis, you are having 7 times 700% increase in that productivity of yours. 700%. And in a month, 3000% increase in your focus. So you can see how powerful that simple 10x10 formula is. Very simple. You have to give yourself that 10 minutes of relaxed mindfulness. So I hope this has helped me great lengths, trying to be more relaxed and still be focused. And I hope this helps you as well. I am J.S. Dhingra, an author, entrepreneur, and business profit strategist with my 30 years of experience in different business verticals. I hope my experience benefits you as well, and I'll keep sharing wisdom points from my wisdom and keep cheering up. Have a limitless life. Cheers.